In the wild, understanding bear behavior can be a matter of survival. Encounters can lead to two types of charges: bluff charges, where the bear intends to scare, and aggressive charges, where the bear is ready to attack. During a bluff charge, the bear might puff itself up, bound on its front paws towards you, but it will stop short or veer off to one side. It's crucial to back away slowly, wave your arms above your head, and speak calmly to the bear. Remember, don't run, it may trigger an attack. If the bear turns aggressive, it might yawn, clack its teeth, pound its front paws, and huff. If a black bear charges and attacks, fight back with everything you've got. However, if a grizzly charges and attacks, play dead. Cover your head and neck with your hands. Lie flat and spread your legs apart. Only get up when you're sure the bear is gone. If you surprise a bear, back away slowly. Avoid direct eye contact and wave your arms. If a black bear charges after being surprised, fight back. If it's a grizzly, don't fight back. Never run from a surprised bear or try to climb a tree. Predatory bears are a different story. Seek shelter if possible, and if attacked, use any available weapon to fight back. Always report all bear encounters to park authorities. Knowledge is power, and understanding bear behavior can save your life.